So you just closed and got yourself a 30-year fixed rate mortgage, but man, 30 years. That sounds like such a long time. I wonder what I'm gonna look like in 30 years. What's it gonna take to bring that 30-year term down? Because it's so long, right? What if I told you there's an amazing little quick hack that you can do to lower your term by 6 years and save a boatload of money? Wouldn't that be amazing? But before we get into that, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until you subscribe on my page, they're not letting me leave this room. Get me out of here! Here we go. Let's get into it. How can I show you how you can save money? Before we get into it, I'm Andrew Russell, owner and founder of RCG Mortgage, NAMBY Mortgage Broker of the Year winner, top originator across the country via Scotsman Guide.
I'm kind of a big deal.
I'm excited to get into saving you guys some money. So how are we gonna save you money? It's called the biweekly program, a biweekly payment system. So we're gonna talk about what is the biweekly payment system, how do you qualify, and then we're gonna give you a clear example of what it looks like and how it's gonna save you money. The biweekly payment program, what is it? Think about it, right? If you make a monthly payment, there are 12 months in the year. So you're making 12 payments a year, but most people in America were paid bi-weekly. So there's 26 bi-weeks in a year. So that gives the opportunity, instead of making 12 payments per month, you're making 26 bi-weekly payments. That's one extra month paid per year. That's where the savings comes in. So that's specifically what the biweekly program is. But how do you qualify? It's so important, right? Not everyone offers it. So it's very important when you pick a mortgage professional to work with, depending on the company they work for, whatever it is, they have to offer once the loan closes, and then the servicing department takes over, and now you have to, log in, make an account, start making payments. You have to make sure that once the loan closes and you start making payments, that they actually offer the biweekly program. Not everybody does. We have access to people who do, so it's very important. Make sure they offer it. And third, let's talk about the numbers.
Math.
Let's unpack what it actually looks like with a real life example. So take a $600,000 mortgage, a rate of 7%, and monthly principal and interest payment of $4,000 a month. So if you pay $4,000 a month times 12 months, that's $48,000 for the year. But if you do the biweekly program, half of $4,000 is $2,000 times 26 is $52,000 for the year. So you paid an extra $4,000 for the year, which goes right into the principal, slashing what you pay over time with interest. It's gonna save you about $200,000, believe it or not, in interest, and 6 years off the life of the loan. So make sure, guys, when you choose a mortgage professional, that they actually offer this program post-close. It doesn't just happen by osmosis. You don't just wake up and all of a sudden you cut your payment in half and you start doing this type of program. We've had people where the servicer actually didn't offer biweekly payment programs. They were making half of their payment a couple times a month, and it affected their mortgage history. They had mortgage rates. So again, just make sure that the mortgage professional you're working with, after closing, they actually could put you into the biweekly program. There you have it, guys. We just showed you how with a quick tweak, a quick mortgage hack, we just saved you over $200,000 potentially, depending on the terms of your loan, and 6 years off of the life of your loan. As you can see, there are so many myths as it relates to mortgage. There's no way to cut down your term, blah, 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 blah. So our next video, make sure you tune in. We're gonna talk about all the different mortgage myths, and we're gonna unpack them. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so we can keep putting out more great content like this to save you guys money. Until next time, we'll see you then.